Hey guys, welcome to my Java tutorial. So today, we're gonna teach you about the scanners. So ano ba tong scanner na to? Ito yung kukuha ng input from the user. So first step is import the scanner. Import java.util.scanner. So yan. And the second step is gagawa tayo ng scanner object. Ang papangalan ko ay input. And new scanner system.in. So, wag nyo munang intindihin yung syntax sa to. Basta, ganyan muna yung paggawa ng scanner. So, gagawa muna ako dito ng 3 integer variables. And, instruction, and enter at 3 numbers. Enter 3 numbers. And yung 3 numbers na manggagaling sa user, isi-save ko siya sa variable ko na A, B, and C. So, input that next int. So, yan guys yung pagkuha ng integer from the user. And B equals input that next int. And to the C, input that next int. And nakalimutan ko guys yung total. Kasi ito total ko siya. So, total equals A plus B plus C. And show it to the terminal. Total is total. So, run natin. So, ito yung instruction. 10, 10, 10. So, 30. Total is 30. And papakita ko naman sa inyo guys yung pagkuha ng double. So, gagawa ko dito ng variable na double. For example, salary. And instruction for the user. Enter your salary. And salary equals input that next double. So, madali lang siyang tandaan guys. Show it to the screen. My salary is plus salary. So, yun. Run natin. Enter your salary. For example, 15,000.5. So, yun. 15,000.5 yung salary niya. And also, guys, yung sa string naman. String name, for example. Enter your name. Name equals input that next line. So, dalawa yun guys. Input that next. Kung ayaw nyo nang may space. For example, nag-type yung user ng John Cruz. So, yung may store niya lang na value is John. I-disregard niya to. Kasi, hindi nga siya, pagka-space, wala na agad. Hindi niya na mariread. Pero kung next line to, makukuha niya yung value na John Cruz. So, pakita ko lang guys, example. Input that next line. My name is plus name. So, let's test this. Enter your name, John Cruz. So, nag-grab niya yung John Cruz. Pero, kung that next one to, run natin. Lalagay ko yung John Cruz. Diyan lang yung nag-grab niya. So, yun lang guys. Sana may natutunan kayong bago. And kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, like mo na rin. At subscribe na kayo sa channel ko guys. Para tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-uploads natin ng video. And yun lang guys. See you on the next one. Peace out.